My K7 travel day tour to Giethoorn and Zaanse Schans was a trip highlight, thanks to our exceptional guide, Suri. I give it a 5-star rating and highly recommend it. Suri was incredibly informative, sharing fascinating cultural insights and always willing to answer questions. He truly brought each location to life. In Giethoorn, the boat ride through the canals was amazing, so picturesque and serene. At Zaanse Schans, the clog workshop and museums were fun to experience, offering great photo opportunities and a peek into Dutch traditions. This tour delivered a seamless and memorable day. For a fantastic exploration of these iconic Dutch spots, especially with Suri, this tour is a must-do. It is very convenient to have a special car to pick up and drop off from the hotel during the trip. The tour guide Litso will remember everyone's name and country and is very considerate. He will lead the topic with humor throughout the process so that we can understand the culture here. He will also ask everyone about their cultural differences to discuss. You can ask him for any questions about Amsterdam or the Netherlands. He also shared several Dutch snacks with us during the trip. The itinerary will not be very tight. We have free time in Giethoorn and Windmill Town where we can walk around and take photos and visit shops and eat. At the Afsluitdijk embankment, we are also allowed to get off the car and walk around to take photos and see the magnificent scenery. It is a trip with a high CP value. There is a special car to pick you up, so you don't have to change cars and walk to get lost. The van is large and comfortable, and the tour guide provides professional explanations. It is worth recommending. Definitely a 5-star trip. We got a great coach Eric who took us a wonderful day tour. He had foresee the busy day in the weekend and ride us to Giethoorn in the early morning to avoid the terrible boat traffic at noon. He coached us with special care to the whole team so everyone loved the trip. This day trip is definitely one of our memories. I had been. We signed up for the tour the day before departure, and the communication was very smooth. You can choose a Chinese/English tour guide before paying. Contact customer service Kuhn. After payment, he will use a message to contact and confirm. He would reply late at night and was very professional. It is recommended that you first check whether your hotel is within the 810 highway circle, not next to the highway. Otherwise, you need to go to the central station meeting point to get on the bus. Driver and tour guide, Surui, Guide Su. He will also contact us the day before departure. On the day of departure, Director Su was on time and even arrived earlier than expected. There are also explanations along the way, and he will share with us his life in the Netherlands. When it rained, he also took the initiative to prepare umbrellas for us and took us to the free toilet. Attractions. Maybe because of the rain, the windmill is not as beautiful as expected, but Giethoorn and the 1-hour boat trip are well worth going, because it is very far to go by car. This is my first time and my dream destination is Giethoorn and Zaanse Schans. This trip make my dream come true. I was very recommend you guys to go this package so amazing such as guide, he take care very nice and explain very clear. The time is reasonable I can take a lot photo the place very beautiful smile. So I impressed.